And questions continue about the number of tests available and getting those tests processed. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar reports that a local lab may soon help relieve that bottleneck.
Right now, doctors are frustrated with the restricted access to COVID-19 testing. The CDC has guidelines on which patients qualify for the testing. Those guidelines will not apply to commercial facilities like this one in Lee's Summit.
Everybody is working really well together to try and get a handle on it.
Chief Scientific Officer Michelle Altrick says Viacor Clinical Diagnostics has been working to develop testing for the novel coronavirus since January.
The virus has been able to spread faster than the development of the diagnostic testing.
Last month, the FDA loosened some of the red tape for commercial labs to get federal approval for their tests. Friday, the Lee Summit Laboratory will start their testing, and they've already got a long list of clients.
What we've actually seen is that the need for additional testing really knows no boundaries. So we have clients that we're talking to, everything from New York to Texas, here locally as well.
Until recently, testing for the coronavirus could only be done through state health departments and the CDC.
The testing available at the public health labs just hasn't been able to keep up with the demand.
The shortage is concerning public health officials. To get tested with a CDC kit, a patient has to show symptoms, have traveled to a part of the world where transmissions are happening, or have direct contact with a known patient, and first test negative for the flu.
There is a good deal of frustration around the medical community.
Ulrich says a lot of doctors have reasons why they would want to test a patient who does not meet all those criteria. One example, needing to rule out the virus in a critically ill patient who needs invasive surgery. This lab will now help ease those frustrations. To be clear, people can't just show up to this lab or any other commercial lab and request to be tested for the coronavirus. The testing must be ordered by a physician. Reporting in Lee's Summit, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.